Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has said that Aditya L1, the country's first solar mission, successfully performed the second Earth-bound maneuver. Teachers' Day is being celebrated throughout the country today. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of educationist and former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the winners of National Teachers Award 2023 at his official residence in New Delhi on the eve of Teachers' Day yesterday. 75 award winners participated in the interaction. Voting has begun for by-polls to 7 assembly constituencies spread over 6 states. Digital India Experience Zone has been set up as key attraction at the G20 summit in New Delhi.